Today, let's talk about 5 amazing drinks that, if consumed before bedtime, can help keep your kidneys healthy. Regular consumption of these drinks can even prevent severe issues like dialysis. Did you know that 1 in 7 people suffer from chronic kidney diseases as they age? And most are unaware of these deteriorating kidney health until dialysis become inevitable. Therefore, it is crucial to take preventive measures and safeguarding your kidneys, which filter up to 180 liters of blood daily. These drinks can enhance this vital function. Let's dive into the details. Number 1. Warm lemon water. Drinking warm lemon water at night provides a simple yet effective way to cleanse your kidneys. Many people are familiar with cold lemon water, but warm lemon water at night is incredibly beneficial. This warm water aids digestion, while the citric acid in lemons help expel toxins from the kidneys, thus preventing the formation of kidney stones. Studies in medical science have shown that citric acid and hydroxycitrate in lemon juice inhibit mineral accumulation, thus detoxifying the body and allowing for restful sleep as your kidneys and body cleanse themselves. A study observed 203 people with pre-existing kidney stones. Those who consumed 60 milliliters of lemon juice twice daily for 2 years did not develop stones again. Lemon citrate combine with body calcium to expel it before causing harm. Moreover, vitamin C in lemons protect kidney cells daily from toxins, while potassium balances blood sodium levels to maintain optimum blood pressure. Remember, high blood pressure is the second leading cause of dialysis. Preparing this wonderful drink is easy. Squeeze half a fresh lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it before bed. Warm lemon water's beneficial components are better absorbed by the body compared to cold lemon water. At night, when digestion slows down, warm water soothes the internal organs, promoting a comfortable sleep. If the tartness of lemon is unappealing, add a touch of honey. Drink it about an hour before bed to allow time for digestion and to avoid acid reflux. Few important points to remember. If you suffer from heartburn, lemon may not be suitable for nighttime consumption. After drinking lemon water, rinse your mouth with plain water to avoid damage from citric acid to your teeth. Number 2. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is more than just a soothing nighttime drink. It is a powerful ally for your kidneys. This tea not only helps you relax and sleep better, but also contain anti-inflammatory properties that reduces swelling. Flavonoids and phenolic acids in chamomile protect your kidneys from harmful effects. Research indicates that chamomile tea can lower serum urea levels, signaling improved kidney function. Additionally, chamomile helps alleviate daily stress and tension, further protecting your kidneys. To prepare, steep a chamomile tea bag in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes and drink it about an hour before bedtime. If you have ragweed allergies or on a blood thinner, consult your doctor before drinking. Number 3. Turmeric milk. Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. The key ingredient, curcumin, found in turmeric, combats inflammation and protects kidneys from toxins and damage. Studies have shown that turmeric can reduce protein leakage in kidneys and mitigate damage caused by high blood sugar levels. For an added boost, turmeric mixed with ginger creates a potent combination. Prepare turmeric milk by gently heating a cup of dairy or plant-based milk, adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, and a hint of cinnamon. Black pepper is essential as it enhances the absorption of curcumin. Add honey to taste and consume it an hour before bed for improved sleep. Pregnant and breastfeeding individuals and those on blood thinners should seek medical advice before drinking. Number 4. Dandelion roots tea. Often mistaken for a weed, dandelion has a remarkable reputation for centuries as a natural kidney cleanser. The roots of this plant are packed with antioxidants which combat harmful free radicals in your kidneys. It also contains mild diuretic properties, aiding in detoxification without causing dehydration. Unlike stronger diuretic, consuming this tea before bed helps purify your kidneys overnight. Thanks to its unique bitter taste that signals effective healing, the tea is simple to prepare. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried dandelion roots in a cup of boiling water for 10 minutes. Drink it 1 to 2 hours before sleep for optimal detoxification without disturbing your rest. However, be cautious if you have gallbladder issues, gas problems, or allergies, particularly to daisy or chrysanthemum. Always start with a small amount to see how your body reacts. Number 5. Lavender and rose tea. If you seek tranquility in the evening, this lavender and rose tea is your go-to. Combining the fragrant notes of lavender and rose petals, it delivers a naturally sweet and aromatic experience without artificial additives. Lavender contains natural compounds that promote relaxation and deep sleep, enabling your kidneys to perform their essential repair work. Rose petal add antioxidant and mild anti-inflammatory benefits, creating a stress-reducing and kidney-friendly brew. Stress and high blood pressure can severely damage kidneys, so alleviating daily tension is crucial. To make this tea, add 1 teaspoon of dried lavender flower and 1 teaspoon of dried rose petals to a cup of warm but not boiling water. Let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes, preserving its delicate aroma and healing properties. Enjoy this calming tea about an hour before bedtime. If you're pregnant or taking sedative, consult your doctor first. These easy to prepare bedtime drinks can support kidney health and potentially keep you away from dialysis. Those simple habits, they can yield profound effects. Transform your nightly routine into a time of kidney care with these effective and natural drinks. Alright, thanks for watching. If you learned something new, please like the video and share it with your loved ones. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Have a nice day.